Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to do a really quick unboxing here of the new Ryobi, the 18 volt hybrid LED color range work light. That's kind of a mouth load. It's basically just a work spot lamp. You can see it here. And the cool feature about it is that it goes in a full color range. Here on the box you can see a picture. There's one picture with it on the cool lighting and then one with warmer lighting. Like here's the P721 spot lamp from Ryobi. It's an LED light. Most of them put off a really cool, cold light, and you know that's kind of what we've come to expect now from the new LED lighting. It's just cold lighting. But with this new LED spot lamp here, you can adjust it. So this is the P795. I'm just gonna unbox it really quick. I'm just gonna do this so quick here. I'm not even gonna angle the camera down here because I've had this box down here and I was gonna do an unboxing video with it, but who really cares about that? Let's be honest. I bought two of these a couple weeks ago, and all right, so right on top there's instructions, and then you pull it on out of the box here. That's it. There it is. Also in the box it comes with a what is this? I don't know. Let's find out. I actually forget what this is. I bought two of these though, and I've already opened one of them up, and I've been using it on the job site, and I love it. It's pretty nice. The one thing that I don't like about the one that I have, the one that I've already opened and unboxed and been using, the one thing that I don't like, if you guys are familiar with this, I have one other Ryobi tool that does this. When you leave a battery plugged in, you know, a fully charged battery, and you just let it sit with the battery in and you don't use it for 2 days, and then you come back and the fully charged battery that you put in there is dead. I don't know if you guys have had any of those issues with the Ryobi. I have with their smaller job site radio, not this big one, but the tinier one that's like kind of funky looking. If I leave a battery in that thing for overnight or for a day and a half, 2 days, and it's a fresh battery, it'll drain it without it being on. Totally off, it'll drain the battery, and I don't understand that. So the other light that I got that's exactly like this one, same model number, it's the P795, and I've been using it for the past 2-3 weeks. It does that, and I'm hoping that it's like a defect in the manufacturing, and I'm hoping that this one does not do that. So anyway, so really quick here, a couple things I really like about these. I didn't pick up a tripod mount when I was at Home Depot. They had the Husky brand tripods right next to these lights, and I thought, if I buy that and it doesn't fit, then I'm gonna have to make another trip over here and return them, and I don't want to waste my time with that right now. I will just look online and see what fits. Well, what does fit, and I'm just now remembering what this is for, that Husky tripod that's right next to these in the store, it does fit, and this in fact is an adapter so that you can put your lamps up on a tripod so that you can have elevated lighting. And this little guy right here will actually tell you that this adapter allows the P795 to be compatible with the Husky K9028 tripod sold separately. And then it tells you that in several different languages. So there's the little adapter piece for it, and there's the note. This light is sweet because you can put this adapter here into the bottom, and then if you wanted to, you can buy that tripod and you can have a nice light on a tripod for when you're working. All right, let's get down to a couple of the other features here that I really like about it. I don't think I mentioned in my review video of this spot lamp here, which is the, what number is it? The P721. I don't think I mentioned in my review video of the P721 that it's got this funky shape right here on its legs, because you can slide it into a 2x4. 2x4 fits perfectly in there. Like, so if you've got an exposed 2x4 somewhere, this will hold on to it. My arm's not really 2x4, so it's not holding. So that's pretty sweet about this light. So then this new one that I got, the hybrid light, it has that same shape there to where you can do that with it. It also has on the bottom some points where you could screw mounts to a wall if you want this to kind of be a permanent fixture in your shop or something. And you could mount it, screw mount it if you wanted to, or if you just wanted to do that temporary on a construction site to hang it up, you can do that. Now the one thing that this does not have one of the little hooks like the old light does, right there to kind of hang on screws or something. Can you guys see that? I don't know. Check out my other review video of this, though. It'll tell you about it. I'm going to stop doing comparisons. So this, though, is really nice. It's a nice little durable. Yes, this is plastic, but these rungs here, I think that these are aluminum, and it's got, you know, your pivot there, pivot point to where it can go all the way around, and whatever. That's cool too, I guess. And then you can tighten it up there. But the best thing about this light here, let me show you on the top here, is this right here. This is your dial here to go from cold lighting all the way over to the warm lighting. And it'll tell you right here the Kelvin color temperature scale goes from the warm all the way to the daylight. And you can go anywhere in between those two settings. The 2700K or the 550K, whatever that is. How many zeros is right there? 500,000. I can't see right now because I don't have my contacts in. 550. How many zeros? 000 27. Whatever. Who cares? Get it? It's cool. So check it out though. Look at it back here. There it is on the cool scale. We're gonna warm it up now. My camera might do something funky. Whoo, there it gets nice and warm and toasty. So then we're going to bring it back over here to cool. Let me show you guys. Cool. And just a nice little twist over there to the warm. And twist back to the cool, to the warm, to the cool, to the warm. My camera's totally doing something funky with it. Anyhow, so you can go anywhere in between. So the one click turns it on. And it's got another click there to go to a low setting. Another click there to go to another low setting, and another click to go off. So I think that they claim though that this will run for, I forget how many hours, for a long time though, for a lot longer than the other spot lamps. And that's true, it does. It runs a lot longer on the lower setting. But even on the high setting, it still runs a little bit longer than these guys do. You're looking at about, you know, with these guys here, we get about four hours out of them on high. And then with this new one here, we get about, I want to say 5.5 hours on high. So not much more, but some more. I haven't ran them yet with the new 3 amp hour batteries or the 6 amp hour batteries. That time scale is just on the old standard max 4 amp hour batteries. But I do have the new batteries, and I'll do some runtime tests, and if you guys have questions, leave them down in the comments. Tune in. I love the Ryobi product line and sharing it with you guys because they are great tools, and I know the feeling when you're trying to make an investment in tools, power tools, battery operated power tools, and you want to find the line that's going to have everything that you need. So I want to kind of help you guys out with that. Mainly I use Ryobi because I started out with it simply because of the price point. When I'm working up on ladders, if I have one of their drills or any one of their other power tools, if I'm to drop them, I can always go and replace it for way cheaper than I could go and replace it at DeWalt, Milwaukee, or Makita or something like that. The Ryobi, they have all kinds of different stuff too out there, not only for the contractors, but for the homeowners too and the DIYers. They have some great tools. So go check them out. Their OnePlus line, it's awesome. This is not a sponsored video, not a sponsored video. All my unbiased opinions, just for you guys. Yes, I do like Ryobi, but I know that, you know, for instance, there are other tools out there that are better, more specialized. Like if you're looking for an orbital sander, you want to go Makita, but I still run the Ryobi orbital sander because it does what I need it to. Anyhow, thank you guys again for watching. Without further ado, I will leave you.